Hi everybody, we're back for another video. I received this package while I was away on vacation, and this is something that came from Olga. Olga, all I have to say is this so sweet of you, but it is so not necessary. But all I did was cut open the box. We might have a kitty appearance, we might not. Oh, there's her tail. You want to say hi? Say hi. Okay, nope, she doesn't want to say hi. So, my goodness. I don't even know where to start here. We'll give this, wrap. Do you want it? Do you want it? Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. And she's gone. So, what is, here, let me do the easy thing and, what, my goodness. Let me pull everything out of the box. I don't even know where to begin. We're back. There are lots of papers and goodies and teas. Kitty is playing over in the box over here. Let me... Oh my goodness, this is so cute. To John, family, and friends, may the season bring you joy, happiness, and above all, health. From my home to yours, happy holidays, Olga. PSS, I am hoping you can use the pouch for TN on the go. Pouch? That must be one of these things. Wishing you and your loved ones a joyful and merry holiday. May the new year bring you love, happiness, and above all, health. Cheers. P.S. Thank you for all your inspiration. Oh my goodness. Is that sewn in? That is so cute. She printed this on a vellum and sewed it. Oop. Oh no, one of the little googly eyes came off. Wait. I think that was from the front. Oh. Okay, I'll set that aside. But look how beautiful this card Olga created. Oh. So, okay, I can't put that away. We'll put that over here. Okay. I've never seen this brand before. Lorton and Horn Leather Goods. It has a nice bag. It feels so nice. What in the world? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? There's a pouch here. Oh. My goodness. I think for like cables and stuff. For a pen. A pocket for IDs and stuff. You probably could fit an A5 notebook in this. Actually, I have one. Yes, you could fit an A5 notebook in this. And it would zip. My traveler's notebook is too fat, though. I'm chunked it up. That won't fit. But supplies could go in there. A pen. A little pouch here that you can put some bigger things in. A zipper. And you could slide the cover of a notebook there. Oh my goodness, Olga. That is beautiful. Okay, so there's that. Now this is huge. It feels like a medicine bag. It is. What do they call them? Like a kit bag? like those old doctor's bags. So it's got the little pouch there. Let's throw this for Kitty to play with. See what Kitty does. Oh my goodness, look at this. It has a little zipper pouch over here on the side. And all the tabs are leather. A really nice sturdy zipper. Oh my goodness. And it has the logo right there. Wow. That is a beautiful caramelly camel color. I don't know much about this brand. Lorton and Horn leather goods. Okay. That is crazy generous. Oh my goodness. Let me set those out of the way. Kitty was trying to get that.
Hey! Hey! Hey now! You're not being a rock star. You're being annoying.
So there's lots of papers here. Some really beautiful designs. That's a beautiful paper. It actually feels like a nice wallpaper. I don't think it is, but it's beautiful. Oh, that's cute. Some music. Kitty wants to check everything out.
Here, honey, let me get you down baby cakes, okay? Let's see. Okay, go play.
Oh, look at those. It looks like it feels like one of those projectors from when you were in grade school and early high school in the 80s. Things would be projected on a plastic sheet. That's what that feels like to me. Look at all these old papers. Some cool. Oh, like a whole page of that stuff. Oh my goodness. Look at all this. Some little bottles with little people, fairies, and butterflies and stuff. Oh wow. Some more of that. Oh my goodness.
Clue. That was one of my favorite Ouija board. Oh, like perfect for Halloween. Some bingo cards. Paperback Studios. That's so cool. Oh my goodness, look, I got a couple of those. And then one on craft. Oh, that is so cool. The peacock feather. Oh, and it's on a, wow. I think the husband would love this. He loves peacocks. That's like one of his favorite birds. And he loves the different blues that are that color. Gesang mit Klavierbegleitung. Komponert von Hans Hermann. This is his Opus 31, number 2, Weigenlied für das Herz. A Heart's Lullaby. So it's for a singer and keyboard. Yep. Singer and piano. Let's see. Fräulein Polly Blumenbach. That's who he dedicated this to? Very cool. So there's lots of good stuff there. And there is stuff that I covered. There's alphabet flashcards. Vintage alphabet flashcards. I won't open those, but those look so cool. And look, a set of bingo cards. A variety of different types of bingo cards. That is so cool. Now, she also included playing cards and a little easel with a little words are failing me today. That 15-hour drive back from Michigan is killing me. You know what they're called. A canvas. Oh my god, words. A canvas for painting. That is so cute. And some party cards with interesting. I'll open those later. I'll post some photos on Instagram for you guys. And then there's this pouch. There's a really cool vintage camera washi tape. That is so cool. Twilight masking tape. Are these like stickers? Usually little boxes like this have stickers. Oh no! Oh my goodness. It's a washi tape with music. That is so adorable. I'm thinking right now as I film this, I've got a rehearsal tonight for a Christmas concert. I have to practice Nutcracker. Nutcracker starts this week. My students have a recital tomorrow that I have to assist on. So I've got lots of music to look at. Some more little pieces. I love this little pouch. Some amazing teas. I love tea, and I love Clipper teas. They're beautiful. They taste so nice. And here's some wonderful green teas. Ooh. Ooh, London decaf. Pure chamomile. I love chamomile tea. Green tea. Wow. Set those with our teas. But what is this? Some stamps. Those are so cool. These are like, oh, Carpe Diem. They're like, tabs. Sticker tabs. Very cool. It says John's journaling paper. And it's like a, it's not like, it is. These are, happy planner rings. They're really pretty blue. Oh my god. There was more. Enjoy from Olga. Oh my goodness. Olga. That is so cute. Some old film. Oh, these are beautiful papers. Okay. So there's these, which are just like a vellum, like a thick vellum. These are like tissue paper. Maybe a, what would we call, like a rice paper maybe? This is like thin grocery store bag. Some more of that. Oh, and some really cool. This beginning with audacity, or being thrown into the middle of it. It was already a very great part of art of painting, but there is more in it than that. La peinture à lui est bien difficile, mais c'est beaucoup plus beau que la peinture à wow. Watercolors, painting with watercolors. Painting with water is like very difficult. Gosh, like I know what it means, but to translate, my brain. For those of you that speak French, you can translate. For the others below, thank you. Some pages, but look how beautiful this paper is. Oh my, I think she might have done some of these with like a jelly plate maybe. Oh, that's so pretty. So I've got some awesome stuff now for putting in my journal. Oh my goodness. Sticky back canvas. This is canvas. Oh my goodness. So you can like paint on these and then stick them in. That is so cool. Olga, 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 darling, you so did not need to do this, but thank you from the bottom of my heart. I have so much stuff to play with. Oh my goodness. So I will link Olga's YouTube channel down below. And thank you so much for watching. I'll even link her Instagram. She does post some really beautiful photos of, you can see her work that she does. Beautiful stuff. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.